Hey, what's up? My name is Chris, and welcome to Coding in Public. Sorry, I'm on my laptop microphone and laptop screen, but you can see I just published this blog post that walks you through how to set a minimum age on all of these. So if you don't know this, you probably have seen that Axios, Next.js, TanStack, a lot of these, because they're just dependent on NPM, and it's kind of inherently not a super secure system, which I think this will only continue to encourage more secure systems. Thankfully, all these at least were caught, it seems, in a few hours for most of them. But I'm sure there are others that we haven't caught, and I'm sure that there are more that we won't catch that quickly. So you can actually set a minimum release age depending on your file manager. PNPM, Yarn, Bun, and NPM all support this. At least I couldn't find if Dino did or not. I read some stuff that said it did, but I couldn't find it in their docs. But basically what you can do is just say, hey, basically don't install anything that's not at least 3 days old. So you can see here that what you can do on each of these, PNPM, Yarn, Bun, and NPM, is simply add a minimum release age. They actually all named these different things, thanks JavaScript, and gave them different values as well. But I've linked to docs so that you can grab whatever one you want. This one is in minutes by default. PNPM actually, as of version 11, defaults to 1 day automatically. So it won't install anything until it's at least a day old, although you can change that. Yarn gives you the options of minutes or duration string. And both of these also allow you to exclude packages, like maybe your own company's packages, for instance. Bun has the same feature here with minimum release days, but this is in seconds only. And so you'll have to calculate that. I've given you some down here if that helps. And again, you can link out to the docs, and you can bypass them if you want to as well. NPM allows you to do values in days only and does not allow you to exclude any packages. So depending on what you're using, I would add this in an npm rc file, in a bunfig.toml file, yarn rc, yml file, or a pnpm workspace.yml file. So hopefully that's helpful to you. And thanks. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding.